Hello. So you're learning about how we generate electricity. We've looked at renewable and non-renewable energy sources, and now we're looking at how we use those to generate the electricity itself. And to help us understand that, I have got a steam engine, and a steam engine is quite a useful way of modelling what goes on in a power station. So the first thing to show you is that in this model I'm burning a fuel. Now in this case it's a solid fuel that some of you might have used if you've got camping stoves, but that's modelling our coal, our gas or our oil, our fossil fuels that we put into power stations. And in a power station, in a fossil fuel burning power station, we burn a fossil fuel, and we burn it because we want heat, and we want heat to heat water. So in this model steam engine, I've got some water in a tank, which you might just be able to see there. And the reason we want that water to be heated up is that we want steam. So this is why I'm using a steam engine. So when we discovered in the 19th century that steam could be used to power things, we really went to town on it. And in this model, it uses a piston. So the steam particles are forced into a very small pipe, there, and then put into a piston. Remember what you know about gas particles, they don't like being near each other, so they get squashed and more of them get pushed in until the force is so big it pushes out the piston. And that happens eventually so often that we can turn it. So in a power station we get this situation. We heat steam, because we heat water to make steam, and we want the steam to turn something. Now in this situation it's going in and out of the piston to turn the wheel. In a power station it turns a turbine. But it turns the turbine, and then that turbine is connected to a generator. And that generator uses a magnet in a coil of wire which turns and produces electricity. So in a coal burning power station, you have a fuel that you burn to heat water to make steam. The steam turns a turbine, and the turbine turns a generator, and then we get electricity. So hopefully this model is going to help you understand the work we're doing on power stations today.